If you're an E60 owner, you've probably faced the daily struggle of finding a safe, convenient spot for your drink. This tiny accessory claims to solve that frustrating problem with a perfect, direct replacement, but does it truly deliver on its promise? This is the car cup holder front left drink rack, specifically designed for the BMW E65 series models, including the 525, 528, 530, and 535, spanning from 2003 all the way to 2010. It's a direct replacement for your original, often worn out or missing, cup holder, and it even comes with the exact OEM reference numbers: 51,459,125,622 and 51,459,125,626, ensuring a precise fit. One of the most appealing aspects is the installation process. The product description boasts a simple setup with no tools required, and it truly lives up to that. It's designed as a direct swap, meaning no cutting, no splicing, just a correct connector that slides right into place. For anyone who dreads fiddling with car parts, this is a huge relief. The reviewer found the process incredibly straightforward, making it an accessible upgrade for almost anyone. Once installed, the sturdy construction is immediately apparent. This isn't some flimsy aftermarket piece. It feels robust and built to last, which is crucial for something that will be constantly holding your beverages. It's been built and tested under strict quality control standards, which definitely adds a layer of confidence. The design is specifically for the front left side, putting your drink right within easy reach, enhancing driving convenience significantly. No more fumbling or precarious balancing acts. It's also quite versatile, fitting most standard cup sizes. Whether it's your morning coffee, a water bottle, or a soda, it seems to accommodate a good range of beverages, helping to keep your car organized and clutter-free. Having a dedicated spot for your drink makes a surprising difference in the overall driving experience, adding a touch of everyday luxury that was perhaps missing. Now, a quick note on the minor details. The product description mentions slight color variations due to display differences and a measurement tolerance of plus or minus 1 to 3 centimeters. While the reviewer didn't notice any significant discrepancies, it's good to be aware that a perfect color match might not always be guaranteed, though it's unlikely to be a major issue for most. In conclusion, for E60 owners looking to restore or upgrade their car's functionality, this car cup holder is an absolute game changer. It's easy to install, feels durable, and genuinely solves a common inconvenience, making it a highly recommended accessory for a more organized and convenient driving experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.